Introducing LumiCharge II, the most innovative all-in-one LED smart lamp and phone charging station ever created. The modern and sleek design is the perfect addition to any household or office, making it the centerpiece of your living space and a full multi-device charging station. 2 years ago, thanks to a wonderful collective effort, you backed our very first successful product campaign. Building on the success of the campaign, a year later it enabled us to modify, transform, and upgrade the product features and usability. With your feedback, we are continuing on our mission to make your living space a smarter one. The patented universal charging dial is compatible with all devices, including iPhone, Android, Samsung, and Google Pixel. We added a 10-watt wireless charging dock compatible with Qi with foreign object detection. The LED lamp on the LumiCharge II features multiple brightness options to match your mood or activity. It also has various light color options, including white, soft white, and soft yellow. The magic of this LED smart lamp begins with its innovative mechanism. Based on our customers' recommendations, we have added and enhanced the following features in LumiCharge II. Wide-angle arm rotation and an adjustable upper arm rotation to maximize area coverage from LED light. Pre-programmed daylight savings. LumiCharge II is the most feature-rich and multifunctional LED lamp ever designed.
Introducing MousePad Plus, the revolutionary new mousepad with wireless charging. Just plug the MousePad Plus and put your phone on charge as easily as it is. It can release your phone Lightning or Type-C connector to other devices such as earphones while charging. When you're going out, unplug and fold the MousePad Plus and take it with you anywhere you need for your mouse and mobile devices. The MousePad Plus has a really compact design with nice curves and details. MousePad Plus is also designed to charge for almost all the wireless devices compatible with Qi standard. We selected special wool fiber from Australia to stick with the felt base, so the pad has a very comfortable hand feeling. With 21 production procedures, we made the MousePad Plus even more delicate. Now, we designed 3 color options for the MousePad Plus. Later, we will launch more. With your support, we hope to bring this exciting project to life soon.